As you see guys, that Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Bitcoin today gave us here a new all-time high today. That being going to happen. Even in yesterday video, also we give you two targets here. I'm going to show you all that in today's video. Now what the view? There is nothing new guys. Bitcoin it still continued more upward like how it happened in the past here, because based on that one here, look at that, we got here now a flag guys. That flag here, it's breaking for us neckline here, and Bitcoin going to go more higher than that. I can show you exactly the target of that one. It's going to be more higher. The only thing now, we got here a bearish divergence in daily. By the way, before we continue, guys, make sure to smash the like button, and if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to join our VIP Discord, the link is down in the description of that video. There is more links, you can check them if you want. Now, what is it, the view, guys? The view, as I told you here, we got a lot of price actions today here in daily. Let me show it to you one by one. First one, we got that uptrend like that. You see it here. It's being touched a lot here. That one, it's still very stronger uptrend. If we came and we do it like that, we got here an up channel. Let me zoom it out a little bit to show you those things. You seeing with me here, guys, that one here. That's an uptrend like that. You see it or no? We touch the lower of it here, or an up channel. We touch the lower of it here. It means Bitcoin is going to go back to 130k. Up of that up channel. That possible, guys. Second thing, another even important one is it that one here, that bullish flag, that one here, and that one you can bring the stick of it from down here. That one is going to give you a more higher here, or it's going to be at 140k. Even that one is possible, guys, but what make me worried till now, let me show you what I'm concerned about. Is it that one here? If you're looking here like that compared to that, guys, you see it here, we got here now like a bearish divergence here. Yes, it's not completed yet. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days, because if today candle close red here, that is going to give us there a bearish divergence. The targets for me, let me show you those things in front of you here. Those ones I showed it to you in yesterday. You remember what I told you here. I give you the two targets here. I told you 114k and 116k. Both of them they being hitted. Also today in our VIP Discord, we've been discussing those things. Actually, we talk about that and we milk that cow, guys. That's the only thing. We milk it very well. Now, what is it, the view? There is one of two, guys. The Bitcoin before today, Friday, is going to give us here a red candle like that and to close below the 113k. That one here with yellow is the level of Bitcoin option, and it's going to expire today in Friday. So maybe Bitcoin going to close below and it's going to give us here that big bearish divergence I just showed you. That number one scenario. Second scenario, what is it? Today we're going to see another green candle here to take that Bitcoin to 123k, guys. That's the only thing. Also, we got even another level, maybe 125. So also we are ready for all scenarios, guys. We got something else here in Bitcoin in daily, which is very important. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here? Same thing here. Don't got something new here. The 20 moving average is crossing above. That means it's still going above. That's the only things I can say here. Maybe Bitcoin going to give us new all-time high. Actually now also we are in a new all-time high, 115k. We'll reach today till 116k. Let's see the coming days what they are going to bring for us. Now we're going to see grid and fair index, liquidity heat map, and Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. So let's go in there to see it together, guys. Here we are, guys, in the fair and grid index. As you see it, even today 72. Also we tell it to you yesterday and we repeat it even today. 72 is high grid, guys, so you need to be careful from the coming move. Exactly for those ones they like to trade, use a leverage and those things. You need to be careful. That's the only things I can tell you. Those ones they just hold in. There is nothing to be worried about. Just let it to run. It's still going to go more higher than that. Yes, for short term there is a correction coming, but for long run it's still going more higher. Now we're going to see liquidity heat map and the Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, the Bitcoin ETF today. What happened today? As you see it in front of you. Also we make it even for yesterday because our friend BlackRock yesterday they bought 115k Bitcoin. Today what happened? Same thing. Grayscale they sold 361. Fidelity they bought 2.92k. ARK Investment they bought 2.42k. BITB they bought 694 Bitcoin. The hodls they bought 136, and Grayscale Mini bought 736. Look at it, guys. Grayscale they sold here 300 and they bought here 736. The total of Bitcoin being bought today from those ETFs, 6.54k Bitcoin, but we don't got the data of the biggest one, BlackRock. That one is going to come. We're going to show it to you tomorrow. Now it's going to see liquidity heat map, what it's telling us. Here we are, guys, in the liquidity heat map here in 24 hours. We got some stop losses above here, but majority of the stops are down here, guys. That's why I told you need to be careful where it's going to go. That's the only things I'm supposed to say here, guys. You need to be careful. Above here, we don't got a lot of stop losses compared to those ones down, but everything can happen in the coming hours because that one is only for 24 hours. To see the clear picture as us every time we do, we go from 24 hours to weekly like that. Here we are, guys, in the weekly. Yes, we have some stop losses above here, as you see it here, but the majority of the stops, guys, are down here. You see the number of stop losses down here. Now, what is it the view? Those ones above, the market is going to go to liquidate them because market makers, they will not allow it to dump before they liquidate those ones above. Not going to happen, guys. It's going to liquidate those ones, then it's going to fall down to liquidate all those ones down here. So us, we are ready for all scenarios. We told you what to do. If you want to be real-time updated, my friend, you can join our Discord where we're giving all those types of real-time updates. Now, let's go into see the coming news of today. The coming news of today, guys, as you see it here. Today we don't got something important, just the GDP of UK. That one, it will not affect the market at all. Only if you trade in the cable, that's another story. Over here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day here in that channel. Look at it, guys. All US indices today, or that for yesterday because you watching it late. Look at it. All of them, they closing the day green. That's very good news. Yes, it hasn't got a lot of volume. Our friend down here, the VIX, look at it. 15.78, everything still looking normal. That means it's left more room for the market to go more higher, guys, till 12. And that's why I told you, for long term, there is nothing to be worried about. Just hold and let it run till the end of that market. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here, Bitcoin in 12 hours, we don't got something special here. We just breaking here that all-time high here. Now the market give us a new all-time high. That's very good news here. Even here, we got that uptrend now. That one here. You need to focus about it. If the market going to fall down to test it enough to pump again. That's possible, guys. Second scenario here. Because I need to show you the levels, we need to focus on them for today. Let me show it to you. The levels, guys, as you see it. That one here, also we are in it, that 115, 819. That level here, 111, 959. And that level down here, 106, 990. We can give you even for the top, but I give it to you in daily. Just go back there and see it. Now, let's go into see it. Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, same thing. We got here that uptrend here. Now it gives us here a up channel like that. As you see it, guys, that meant Bitcoin, it's left for it a more room to touch here 120, something like that. But there is a caveat here. I'm going to show it to you here. Now, what is it, the view? It's going to go more higher, guys, maybe 118 till 120. Or another scenario, maybe from here, we're going to see a smaller correction. Even that one, it's possible. But based on price action, we don't got nothing here telling us that market going to dump, guys. The only thing we got here is that up channel like that, guys. Look at it here. You see it? That's an up channel. And that's telling you it's need to go more higher till well touch the top of that up channel, guys. Even that one is possible. We got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Let me show it to you. And in 4 hours, guys, we got all those moving averages here. They're telling you the pump it started and that Bitcoin is going to go more higher, guys. Remember that. But the only things I can say here. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today, guys. Let me show it to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touch here extreme overbought area. Should we catch a shot based on that? Because that indicator of us, when it's enter like that, at this time, no, my friend, it's need that indicator of us to come down or to come out from that extreme overbought area for us to thinking of to enter a shot. No matter how long us we staying above it like that, it's still going to go more higher, guys. I think I explained everything. What should we wait? We need to wait that indicator of us to come from that extreme overbought area for us to try to catch a shot. At this time, us we still only in a zone very, very extreme bullish, guys. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. Let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum, guys, in the 4 hours here. Same thing, we still have here that up trend here. And now it gives us here an up channel. It touched the top of it, guys. You see it here. The Ethereum, it touched the top of that up channel. So I will not get surprised if I saw the Ethereum, they will like that and fall down to test the lower of that channel. That's possible, guys. Everything is possible in the coming hours. Why? We got a lot of things. Let me show you the Ethereum in daily, guys, because it's very important there. Here in daily, guys, the Ethereum, it looks like it's going to go more higher than that. Why? If we came here and we take it off all those moving averages like that, and you came here and you do like that, guys, you see that one here, that it's like a megaphone. That one is going to refuse to be drawn here. You see it here, that's a megaphone in daily, guys. And here, the Ethereum, it touched the top of that megaphone here. So maybe from here going to dump to touch the lower of it, that's possible. Second scenario, maybe it's going to go more higher. The Ethereum now, it's look extremely bullish here in daily. Let's see if it's going to go back to that $4,000. Even that one it's possible. Now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum in daily. Based on our indicator, guys, that's what me I tried to show you in Bitcoin. Look at it. It's enter here exactly to extreme overbought area, exactly that zone here. Look at it. What happened, guys? It's keep on going above. That's why me I told you it's need to come out from extreme overbought area for us to catch a short. No matter how long it's staying above the level of 70, it's still going more higher. If you want more in-depth analysis, you want real-time update, what else we doing, you can join our VIP Discord. Of course, if you are interested, my friend, now let's go to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. Sol is going there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. In the Sol, same thing, nothing new. We still have here that up trend like that. And the Sol, same thing, like the Bitcoin, like the Ethereum, same thing, guys. You see it here, not the up channel here. That up channel, either we are going to go back to touch the top of it here, like that, guys. Maybe we are going to go to touch the top of that channel, which is exactly at 180. That's possible. Second scenario, even that one is possible, guys. That's all to fall down to break in here. Even that one is possible. You can even come and do some smaller uptrend here, that if you liken to trade in smaller time frames. But good news here in the Sol it's breaking here, that big head and shoulder, guys. That one also we showed it to you before. Look at it here. Even that one, it's possible, guys. We got something else here in the Sol in daily. Let me show it to you. The Sol here in daily, guys, is it in a very stronger zone here in the 200 moving average. So you need to be careful. If it's going to break it, that's one more pump, or it's going to do like that. Also, we're going to come back to you today when the daily candle finished, and that way also we're telling you us every day when the daily candle close, we put in a new video, my friend, analyzing for you the market and showing you the new opportunities in that chart. Even you can subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest videos and updates, my friend. If you want to be updated more quicker than that, you can join our free Discord. The link of it is down in the description of that video. Of course, if you are interested, now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touch extreme overbought area. You see it in front of you, guys. That indicator of us always when it touching extreme overbought area, it's indicating maybe the market is going to reverse. If us we enter from down here, we started taking the profit here. Shall we take the profit now at this time? If you hold in the Sol spot, yes, you need to start taking some part of your profit. We can explain those things to you more, my friend. If you want more education content, you want to learn how to trade the proper way, how professional people they do it, that the job of them, you can join our VIP Discord where we give them very highly content of education, my friend, and we chat to you one-to-one. We teach you a lot of things. But of course, if you want to learn how to trade from professional people, that is up to you, my friend. Only our videos is very highly educative content. If you follow it every day, you're going to learn, my friend. Not the only things I can tell you. Now let's go into see the XRP or Ripple what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the XRP, guys. In the XRP here, same thing. We still have here a very sharp uptrend. There is nothing we can say about the XRP. Actually, the XRP it's breaking for us here. That's head and shoulder here. You remember it? That one here is a head and shoulder, guys. So we showed it to you before. Look at it here. It's breaking here. It's telling us that's when the XRP is going to go more higher. Not possible because it tell now if you try to calculate in the take profit for that one. Also, we show you that take profit of it in yesterday video when we're talking about daily chart. Even today, we're going to show you the XRP chart in daily, guys. Let me show it to you. Here we are, guys, in daily chart. That the zone, as we told you in yesterday, we told you 260, and now we are in it, guys. As you see it here, that 260 is a very stronger zone for the XRP. So you need to be careful what's going to happen because it's being touched a lot of times here. Only if the real banana move or real FOMO started, that's another story. But the only things I can say now, let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today here in the XRP. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, same thing at the extreme overbought area. Shall we enter a short? Me personally, I'm not. I'm still holding it. I will let it run more, my friend, till the top. At this time, there is no short yet. It's still going above. If you want to learn, remember that. If you want to learn how to trade like professional people, how they do it, welcome to our VIP Discord, my friend. We're teaching you how to manage your trade. We're teaching you proper risk management, a lot of things. That, of course, if you are interested, now let's go into see doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Here in Bitcoin, also we show you in yesterday that one here, and we told you it give you here like a small penalty here. That's what happened, guys. It's breaking here. Look at it. Tell where it go. Also we milk it. Me personally milk it very well. Today we see some wonders from that Bitcoin. Now, what is it, the view? At this time, there is nothing here. We need to wait to see if the market going to give us here a price action or from here at the top, and we're going to see it dumping. Even that one is possible. So also we are ready for all scenarios. No matter where it goes, we're going to catch it, guys. Up, we catch it. Down, we catch it. And that's our job. Even you can learn, my friend, to be like that. If you want to be like that, we told you what to do. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touch here extreme overbought area, but look at it down here. Also, we are in a zone where it's only bulls the controlling. That's mean the market is still going more higher. So there is nothing new here, guys. It's too dangerous to try to open a short in that market now. That's the only things I can say. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. In another video, guys. Bye for now.